Installing the wireless charging system will require 2 or 3 people. A packet containing the screws and Allen key necessary for the assembly is attached to the base. The tabletop is supplied with the wireless charging system in place. Remove the cover, insert the cable terminal into the system, and then replace the cover. Before inserting the cable into the base, twist the socket plug to remove it. Then insert the cable through the hole at the top of the base and route it through the plastic cable tube. Pull it out of the base and position the base where the table is going to stand. Finally, replace the socket plug and twist to secure it in place. Then place the tabletop on the base and secure it with screws using the Allen key. We do not recommend moving the table after it has been assembled. For safety reasons, do not plug in the socket panel cable until fully assembled. From then on, you can use all your table's features.